Welcome to this demonstration of Multiplier Blackjack. Multiplier Blackjack is played using traditional blackjack rules with an innovative twist. In Multiplier Blackjack, we use a specially designed pay table that provides players with an opportunity to win up to 4 times their blackjack wager. When the dealer busts, payouts are determined by the card the dealer busts with. There are 2 versions of Multiplier Blackjack. The first version is played as a standalone game where the Multiplier Blackjack pay tables is used exclusively. In the second version, the player is provided with 3 options. He may play traditional blackjack, he may play Multiplier Blackjack, or he may play both at the same time on the same hand. The player is provided with a revolutionary way to multiply his or her win. Let's deal a demonstration of version 1 to give you a better idea of how the game is played. In this hand, player has an 18 against a 4, he will stay. The 20 stays, 15 stays. This player has a blackjack. He has 2 options. He can take the 3-2 payout and exit the game, or he continue to play and hope to catch a multiplier on a win if the dealer busts. In this case, he'll take the 3-2 and exit the game. Dealer shows 14. Dealer makes 18. Player has 18, that bet will push. This player has 20, he wins even money. This player has 15 against the dealer's 18, he would lose, all as in traditional blackjack. Player with a 16 against a 5 stays, 17 stays. Player with a 10 is going to double down and take 1 card. Player with 3s are going to split. He hits an 8. He will double. 21. 13 and he stays. The dealer rolls a jack. 16, 26. Pay table when the dealer busts with a 10 results into all bets pushing. All of these bets push. Let's take another card. If he busts with a jack, a queen, or a king, all bets will be paid at half their value. So a $25 bet will be paid at $12.50. $10 bets paid at $5 and $5. The dealer busts with a 9 or an 8, all bets will be paid at 3-2. So a $25 bet now gets paid at $37.50. $10 wagers now get paid $15. If the deal busts with a 7, all wagers now are paid at 3-1. If the dealer busts with the optimum player's card of a 6, all wagers will then be paid at 4-1. And that's all the possibilities of the dealer bust card using the multiplier pay table. Now let me demonstrate a few hands of Multiplier Blackjack version 2 where the player has options to bet either regular blackjack or multiplier blackjack. In this case, this player is only going to play traditional blackjack. He'll place a wager in the blackjack circle. This player, he wants to play both. He's going to play regular blackjack, $15. Multiplier blackjack, he decides he's only going to play 5. This player here is going to make equal wagers, $10 each on multiplier and traditional blackjack. And this player here also will make equal wagers of traditional and multiplier blackjack. Let me demonstrate a hand. In this case, once again, the player has blackjack, paying 3 to 2. $25 wager plays $37.50. This player has a 16 against an 8. He will take a hit. He gets 17. He will stay. Player has a 20. He will stay. Player with a 12 against an 8 hits a 9. He makes 21. The dealer rolls his card. He has an 18. Player with 17 against 18, he loses. We retrieve the wagers. Player with 20 against an 18, he wins. He gets paid on both regular and multiplier blackjack. Player with 21 against an 18, he also wins. He gets paid on both regular and multiplier blackjack. Let's play a second hand. This player, once again, he plays unequal wagers of $5 on regular and $15 on multiplier. This player now decides he's also going to play the multiplier, and he will play regular, traditional, and multiplier blackjack. Player with 11. He opts to double down. He can double down traditional and multiplier, or he can opt to just double the one of them. In this case, he's just going to double his traditional wager, take one card, he hits a jack. 18 will stay against a 19, 14 against a 19, he hits, and he busts. We retrieve his wager, we move his hand. This player here, he opts to gamble. He's going to split his threes. Plays two hands. First hand's got 13, he hits again. He gets 23, we remove his wagers, that hand has busted. Over here, he gets an 11. He opts to double on the 11. Places a secondary wager, takes one card. In this case, he gets a 21. Dealer rolls his card, he's got 16, he must draw, he hits a 10. Once again, we will now revert to the multiplier pay table for the multiplier wages, and in the traditional blackjack, we will pay even money. In this case, the player here gets paid even money on the traditional wager, and the multiplier pushes. Same thing here, he gets even money and the multiplier pushes. And in this case, we get even money and the multiplier pushes. Let's go through all the scenarios. If the dealer was to bust with a jack, queen, or a king, traditional would still get paid even money, but the multiplier gets paid at 1 to 2. So his $10 wager gets paid $5. Once again, traditional gets paid even money. The multiplier wager of $15 gets paid $7.50. And once again, traditional wagers get paid even money. Multiplier wager gets paid at 1 to 2. 50 pays 25. If the dealer was to bust with a 9 or an 8, once again, traditional wages are even money. Multiplier wages now goes to 3 to 2. So his $10 wager now gets paid 15. This player's $15 wager gets paid $22.50. This player, once again, traditional blackjack is even money. His $50 wager now gets paid $75, 3 to 2. If the dealer was to bust with a 7, traditional blackjack once again remains the same. Multiplier blackjack gets paid 3 to 1, so his $10 wager gets paid 30. His $15 wager also gets paid 3 to 1, gets paid 45. Traditional even money. Once again here, traditional get paid even money, but now his $50 wager gets paid 150, 3 to 1. And if the dealer was to bust with a 6, which is the optimal player card, traditional is still even money, multiplier gets paid at 4 to 1. That's how the pay tables would work in the multiplier along with traditional blackjack play. Players made two equal wages of $10, both multiply and regular. He has a 15 against a 10, he takes a hit. He gets a 9, his hand's bust, we retrieve the wages, take the cards off the table. Player with a 20 stays, player with a 20. This player played traditional blackjack, this player played multiplier. Player with a 17, he stays. Player with an 11, he decides to double. He's paid $20 on both sides. Taking one card, he draws an 7 for an 18. Player with a blackjack elects to take 3 to 2. He's made unequal wages of $10 for traditional and $20 for multiplier. However, both of them will get paid at 3 to 2. $10 pays 15 and $20 pays 30. He exits the game. Dealer rolls over his card, shows a 3 for 13, hits a 5 for 18. Player with 20 gets paid even money traditional blackjack. Player with a multiplier wager, has a 20 against an 18. He also gets paid even money. $20 pays 20. Player with 17 against 18, he loses. He had unequal wages, 20 traditional, 5 multiplier, retrieve his wages. Player with an 11 doubled down equally on both traditional and multiplier, hit a 7 for 18. This hand becomes a push. For more information on this game, please contact Aces Up Gaming, sales representative Gary Hansen at area code 918-906-1930 or Todd Taylor, area code 303-638-0465. Thank you for watching this presentation.